What's going on, guys, and welcome to BullgearRC videos. So today we are just going to do a little quick mod on the TRX4M Defender. We're going to be installing the trailer hitch and this little Traxxas trailer. This is the TRX4M Utility trailer, and it does come with the hitch, installation hardware, and preload spacers. And as you can see, I think mine needs some preload spacers in the back because the back kind of droops down on this guy. So but anyway, before we do that, guys, since last video we installed the Trill wheels, the Mickey Thompson Pro X Baja tires. We installed the metal links, low speed transmission, and a light kit. And it took me all of about, I don't know, a half hour, maybe 45 minutes to complete all these mods. And the wheels and tires took more time to do than all the other mods together. And I got to thinking about that, and in my opinion, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the RC hobby, trailing, rock crawling, or if you got kids and you want to expose them to this hobby, this, in my opinion, is the truck to get it done with. The price point is great, and it's real simple to work on. I do believe young boys, maybe girls, shouldn't have any problem working on this truck, doing their own modifications, and learning a little bit about the RC hobby. With that being said, we're just going to go ahead and get into doing this modification right now. Just to show how easy it is, we're going to unplug the light kit, get this body out of the way, and then we're going to start out by removing these two screws back here that hold the back bumper on. All right, with the back bumper being out, we are just going to put this hitch, line it up with those two holes. Let's get our screws ready to start here. We're going to line that up, start our screw in. Start our second screw in. Just snug them up. And then our hitch is installed. And we can just go ahead and slide our bumper back in place and put our screws back in. Piece of cake, piece of cake. And this is one of the easier mods, but really not so much easier. The light kit was only 4 screws. This is 4 screws. So the light kit is not too much more difficult than this. We did have a couple zip ties to install with the light kit and a plug to plug in, but you know, it's really a simple platform to work on. With that being done, our hitch is installed. We can now just plug our light kit back in. Drop the body back down on this guy, and trailer is installed. Now I think I do want to go ahead and put my little extra preloads in here, because this truck is drooping just a bit in the back, and we want to resolve that while we're right here doing this modification. So now we have our preloads installed. We'll go ahead and turn the radio on. Plug this guy in. Body installed. Trailer's installed. And we're ready to rock and roll. Just that simple, guys. Let's pop the trailer back off, have a quick peek at it. It's all one piece, with the exception of it's got some little, looks like some little axle shafts, little nut. Looks like it has bushings in the wheels, and looks like we can just take that off to pull the wheels off. Good looking wheels. Tires are sort of a street tread. Think it'd be pretty nice on this truck to pull around. I'm going to probably do a lot of scale stuff on this truck, so having a trailer to pull behind it is going to be a pretty cool thing to make some videos with. And I did get another one, and this one is going on my SCX24 D90 build with the RC four-wheel drive body, and that way both of these trucks will have their own trailers, and I think it'll make some pretty cool videos, guys, and be fun out there running on the trails pulling the trailer. So anyway, just a quick video, show you how easy this truck is to work on. And like I said, this is I think this is the platform that I would suggest for anybody looking to get into this hobby or trying to get your kids started in the hobby. This is the one. I've got all the other ones. I've got SCX24s, Element 24, Panda Hobbies. You know, I've got them all, Mini Z's, and in my opinion, this is the one to get you started with. Until next time, guys, old Uncle Lee, BullgearRC Video said, I'll see ya.